So good afternoon. We're here doing the gradebook report that Mr. Luba has mastered and usually sends out on a weekly basis. So what I've done is I've gone to reports and I'm going to, if I click on all reports, I'm going to then select gradebook assignments by student. I click on that, and if you scroll down, you'll see there's an option of email to parents. There's a lot of options here for doing this report. So let's say I want to send out to, if I want to send out all the reports to every class, for every class, I simply do this. Now, if you notice, I have options of only doing the reports for a certain week. So right here in the window here, let's say I want to just send out the ones for this past couple weeks. So I'm going to deselect here. And if I wanted to go, let's say, to options, I can actually do this as well. I can say, let's say I want to do it with students that are below 70%. And once I do that, it's going to actually eliminate some of the students that the report will be sent out to. So even though they're all selected, or I could deselect them, it really depends upon how you want to do it. There's, like I said, there's multiple options here. Typically, I send it out to everybody. That way the parents know that it's just one more step in the process. I've informed them that the grades have gone out. And it's as simple as go through each class, click, 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 click. And once again, I can eliminate assignments based upon my need or the update, and click, click, click. And now I'm at the point where I'm ready to email to the parents. So what's going to happen, this emails the report to all of the parents that have emails. Now, some of our parents don't have current emails, so you're going to get something sent back to you via in your district email that will say that this parent, there was an error, this parent couldn't be contacted. That happens. Marcus warned me about that already. When I first sent these out, I got a lot of those sent back to me. So all I do is click email to parents. Simple as, do you want to send the email out? Yes, I do. And as you can see, it's going to be sent out today. And it'll inform me once again on our district email whether or not the report has been sent out. So thanks for bearing with me on this. If you have questions, go see Mr. Luba.